Hello, today we're going to do another fun activity. We're going to hide a flashcard inside the balloon. Okay, so let's get the balloon out. What's the material we need is a flashcard paper, heart paper, and then we will need some balloon, we need Sharpies, and we need a scissor. Okay, so let's do some flashcard first. So we still have our numbers flashcard, and we're going to write them on a separate piece of paper. It's already pre-cut flashcard ready paper. We just get it ready. And then this is a little big. I'll cut them into 4 different pieces, and then we're gonna hide it inside the balloon. Okay, let's do 6 of them. So let's make a 6 little tiny flashcard and hide inside the balloon. Okay, so let's do 6 numbers. The first one we have over here is 5. It's 5. Let's write 5 on there. 5. So this one is 5. It's 5. So when you hide inside the balloon, make sure you fold the card. So the kids will not very easy to see what's inside the card. Okay. And the second one we are doing is R. It's 2. It's R. We're going to use 蓝色 blue R. And this one is R. Right? Okay, so note. Fold it. Make sure the kids will not peek on it, because sometimes the balloon is like white or yellow. It's very light color. You can see through it. So this is 6. It's Leo. It's 6. Okay, Leo. 6. Leo. And it's 6. Leo. And next one is 4. 4 is 4. 4. It's 4, and then we're gonna fold it. 4 is 4. And next one is sun. Sun is 3. Sun is 3. Let's do 3. Sun. Sun. And last one we're gonna do is 10. 10. 10 is a 10. Okay, we're gonna fold it. Maybe we're gonna fold it one more time, since when we put down it's gonna open. You might peek what's inside there. We'll fold it one more time. Make it smaller. So we're gonna put it inside the balloon. The flashcard. It actually works perfect. And then we'll blow them up. So you can see we have a flashcard inside the balloon. So here's the one. We're not going to write anything on top. We just make it ready like this. And then kids just guess which balloon might have which card. So now we have 3 balloons. We can make 6, 10, 20. We can decide how many words we're going to learn for this week or today. And then we are going to use all the balloons. And then we are going to give the kids a card. See, this is 10, 10. Guess which balloon it might be. And the kids say, oh, maybe this one. And then the kids can pop the balloon to see if they find the matching card. If the kids find the matching card outside the balloon and inside the balloon, they can get a reward or prize or points. Okay, so some kids might be sensitive with sound, so you can use a little pen, like a little sharp object to poke a tiny hole on top of where you did not blow up, have a thicker air, and let the air out, and the kids can try to let air out first, and then they use a scissor to cut it open. Okay, and find paper clips. We're going to try to use the little paper clips, try to poke a little hole on the top of the balloon. Just make sure it's not popped. I can hear the, oh, here we go. You can let the air out this way. So if the kids who is very sensitive with the sound, don't like pop noise, and the kids can use different ways to pop the balloon. Use a paper clip to poke a hole on the top where it has thick texture on the balloon, or not pop it. So this way the kids can open the balloon with a hole on the top, or use a scissors to cut it, and try to find out the flashcard instead of there. So which one did I grab? I think I grabbed 6 and 9. I'll see if they match. Okay, so it's not match, but it's good way for the kids to practice 2 words instead of 1. So this one is 9, right? 9, and this one is 3, 3. So they can try again next time.
Hi, my name is Alan. Hi, my name is Thomas.
Today we're going to play a guessing game with the balloon, okay? So right now we're going to have 6 flashcards. I will go over the words real quick. What's this one?
T.
6.
6.
6. 6 is 6. Good job. How about this one?
T.
2.
2.
2 is 2. R. And this one is
3.
5. 5 is 5. 5. How about this one?
4.
3.
3.
3 is 3. 3. And this one is 4. 4 is 4. 4. How about this one?
2.
9. 9 is 9. 9. Okay, so let me pick any card, random card. Ready? So this is 5. It's 5. Guess which balloon may have the flashcard 5 inside? You want to pick one too, Thomas?
I can't.
Oh, so they have, Thomas have a little paper clip, so help him pop the balloon, and Alan have a little thumb pen, help him pop the balloon. So which one do you think? You think 5 is inside of here? Here? Sure, I can cover your ears. Ready? She's poking a little hole on there. It's funny. Okay. Okay. I'll try to poke it in a hole. Try to see what happened. Oh, here's another one. Oh, you can write a letter on there. That's pretty cool.
You want me to do it?
You can do it.
Okay. It's running out of air.
Do you think it's a 5 inside there? Okay, now let's see what is in there.
Squish it. Yeah.
Okay, good job. Now we're going to break out the balloon.
Stretch it. Stretch it.
Okay, can let me help?
From the little hole.
Yeah, I think that's good. We can do this. Here we go.
Oh.
Let's see what's inside of there. Which letter is this? It's a 5? Ooh. What's this one? Leo. Good job. This is Leo. It's okay. Leo. We found Leo.
Can I do this?
And we're 5. Ooh. Wait a second. Now Alan's turn. Ready? Go. Whoa! Let's see what's in there.
These are 5.
Sign. Yeah. Uh-oh. It's okay. Okay, wait. Let me find another card.
This
Ready?
is powerful.
这是几? R. Let's see if he's in there. R. Whoa! Oh, that's big pop. What is that letter? 那是什么? Yay! Thomas Sharpie! What do you have there? It's R, right? R this way, baby. Upside down this way. Okay, R is 2R. Good job, good fun. You got a point. Here's yours. Okay, let me find another letter. 9 is a 9. And which one? This one? Woo!
Where is it?
Over here. Now let's see what's this one.
Come on, please, a 9, please, a 9, please.
9. What's that one? Remember? It's a 5.
No,
it's a 5.
I'm gonna go for this one.
Okay, you wanna go with this one? Woo! Here's the card. 9. Let's see if I have 9.
Wait, there's a balloon stick.
It's okay.
Stick on the paper.
I said 9. What do you have there? 10 is a 10, 10, right? Do we miss one? Do we just have one left? Or we
Yeah,
should have
I'm
another
going
one?
to pop it.
Okay, let's see. What do you think? We have all the cards, and we have, which one do you think we have left over here?
16.
Which do you think is left?
Not this one. Pop it.
I want to see which one is it.
Yeah.
Which card do you think it's might be?
It's definitely not this one. Pop it. Wait. Have we done this one yet?
Oh, you cannot peek. No peeking. Just take a guess which one it is. This one? What's this one?
T.
4.
4.
4 is 4. Oh, I don't want to call it 8. You gotta go for it. Woo! Wow, I caught a 5 over here. 4. Let's see if Alan got one. Oh, yeah, you matched it. Can you show the camera what you have there?
Could I go
Upside down.
out of the room?
Okay, what's this letter?
4.
4. Very good. Okay, thank you, boys.
I
Thank
caught
you.